Um, if you've already read the instructions on how to make your own cube um, at the beginning of this article, then this is a 2, 4, 6, 8 cube, and let me bring this closer. The way that you find the ghost numbers um, for the inner cube, these yellow tabs, I marked them. I colored them in yellow. Well, except for that one. I guess I did that wrong. But the yellow tabs. There's 6 tabs at each of the 8 quadrant or octants, the cubical openings of the inner cube and the outer cube. There's 6 tabs, and those tabs are made up of adding 3 squares together to form the inner cube, and the inner cube using the commutative property to form the outer cube, and to go up to the corners, multiply or add up to the corners. This is a multiplication 2, 4, 6, 8 cube, and what you do is you find the. Let me see if I can get this over here. You look at the yellow tabs of the inner corners, and that one equals. Let me turn this around. Okay. Well, this is going to be backwards then. But you look at the inner yellow cubes, the inner yellow tabs at each cubic corner, and you add or multiply those numbers together to get the first inner ghost numbers. And then, like the one that I'm staring at right now, it says 24, and that's built up from, this is an addition cube, 2, 4, 6, 8, the addition cube. It's built up of 6, 4, 6, and 2, 4, 2 that make up that the inner cube of the inner number 24. 24, it appears like it says 42 backwards. So that's one of the diagonals, products of the diagonal on this side. You go to its opposite diagonal on the bottom side, in the inside, and that's a 60. That's a 60, and it's built up from, if I can read that right, backwards. A 2, a 10, hold on, a 6, a 10, a 6, uh, a 14, uh, a 14, a 8, and another 14, and that adds up. I believe that's 14. That adds up to 60, I think. Let's see, 10, 14, 14 is 28, 30, 38, 40. I think that adds up to 60. But that's supposed to add up to 60. So 60 on this side plus the 24 on this side equals the outer ghost number 84, and that 84 is reflected all the way around in the different other inner ghost numbers that are built up from the yellow tabs of the inner squares that make up the cube. These are different ghost numbers in the inner cube, and they're diagonals on the opposite side, which are different numbers. But when you add those inner products together, they come out equaling the covariant, is what I call them, covariant numbers 84 that are reflected all the way around in this cube. Well, I hope I explained this, and thanks a lot. Bye.